In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cache and free up space in Premiere Rush. This is a helpful routine to maintain your software's performance and manage your computer's storage more efficiently. Over time, Premiere Rush accumulates quite a bit of temporary files, known as cache, which can slow down the software or unnecessarily take up storage space. Today, I'll walk you through the steps to manage and clear these cache files. First, make sure you have Premiere Rush open on your computer. Whether you're using a Mac or a Windows machine, this process will apply to both, with only slight variations. Once the program is up and running, direct your attention to the top menu. If you're working on a Windows PC, look for the Edit menu. For Mac users, you'll instead need to find the Premiere Rush menu option. Within these menus, you'll see an entry labeled Preferences. Give that a click, and next, select Manage Cache. Doing so will bring up the Media Cache Management panel. Now, if you've used Premiere Pro before, you might notice that this looks quite similar, albeit a bit more simplified. This panel is essential for keeping track of the cache files Premiere Rush uses to operate efficiently. Once you're in the panel, turn your attention to the right side, where you'll see an option labeled Delete next to Remove Media Cache Files. Click on this, and you will be presented with two different options to choose from for deleting cache. Understanding these options is key to efficiently managing your files without losing essential data. The first option says, Delete all preview files. What this does is remove every temporary preview file that Premiere Rush has created to help speed up your timelines. It's usually fine to choose this if you want a clean slate, but it's not the most targeted approach. The second option, and the one we're going to focus on today, is Delete cache files for media that can no longer be located. Selecting this ensures that only the cache files associated with missing or moved media files are being removed. This keeps your current projects intact while freeing up space from files you're no longer actually using. Go ahead and select the second option, and then click the OK or Delete button to proceed. This process will clear out those unwanted cache files, making Premiere Rush run more smoothly and also freeing up some valuable space on your system. And that's it. By following these steps, you maintain a healthier working environment within Premiere Rush and ensure that your projects run as smoothly as possible. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check back for more helpful tips and tutorials.